I'm going to show you on how to make waffles, and what you'll need is some eggs, some milk, some flour, and some oil, and you can use either vegetable or canola oil, some sugar, some baking powder, and some vanilla extract. Alright, and we're going to measure out 2 cups of flour, which is right here, and then we're going to put that in. And we need 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And with measuring this stuff out, you want it to be as flat as possible, so it's as accurate as you can get it. We put that in. And then we need 4 teaspoons of this baking powder. So that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. And then we're going to mix that together. And with mixing things together, it's important that you get it as good as you can get it with mixing it up. And after it's mixed up, it should look something like that. And now we are going to add the liquids. And we need 1 3/4 of a cup of milk. Oh shoot. And it should look something like that. And we're going to pour that in. And we're going to add 1/2 cup of vegetable or canola oil. I'm using canola oil. Okay. Oh wait, this one's not open. So for this one. Open this one. Okay. And it should look something like that. Then we're going to add the eggs. And then we need eggs. I need to look at the recipe. And then we need 2 eggs. And with the eggs, if you wonder how to crack them open, the trick to getting them open is to crack them on the side of the bowl, like that. And it shouldn't leave you a crack like that. And then we're going to put that in. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking vanilla. Okay. Then we're going to mix that up. And then once again, when it comes to mixing things up, it's important that you get it mixed up as good as you can get it. And after these ingredients are mixed up all together, it should look something like this. And if it's a little clumpy, then that's okay, but you want the batter to be as smooth as you can get it. Alright, and then after some of the batter is in the waffle iron, we are going to close it and then let it cook until it's, I should say, golden brownish. Alright, and then we're going to take the waffles out of the waffle iron. And with this, okay, so this might seem obvious to some of you people out there, but try and be as careful as you can getting it out of the waffle iron. Yeah, it's not going very well for me, but oh well. I'm saying, well, oh shoot, still recording. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna get this out. Alright, and then when the waffles are done in the waffle iron, it should look something like this. With the waffle batter, you do the same steps for all of it until all of the waffle batter is all turned into waffles.